Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. Good afternoon, everyone. Could I have your attention, please? I'd like to welcome you all here today. My name is Raksi Bayu Permana, and I'm the marketing manager. And this Pri Anggara Arjansa, and he's the head of the design department. Now let's get down to business. Today meeting I about the marketing strategies for the next few months. We will talk about changing the design of the iced tea and added a new variant of the flour to make more attractive than the previous design in order to attract buyers. Increasingly, more ready-to-drink product or packaged drink are circulating in the market. The presence of modern retail is considered to help RTD players easily reach customers. But unfortunately, truck RTD sales turnover, a specialty, decreased by 4% compared to the previous year. The large number of new players in the business should be taken as a message of positive growth. Although in reality, massive players make competition for market shares even fiercer. This makes the shares volume increase, but not for consumption. Find ways to grow. A number of players are also looking for ways to increase growth in a declining market. Some players try to innovate in the product, whereas there are also those who believe that when the market is looking, engagement with consumers becomes the bidder. The Pucu Arum is exploring to go-to-market strategies. At this time, our company will try to innovate with change in the design of the product and add a new variant of the tea flavor. The lexical definition of product design is the activity of designing an object that will be processed and product into objects that are more valuable and useful. Production is closely related to introduce the required technology, management and other technical parameters to operate. Summing up the above statement, it's turned out that product design does not only include design and aesthetics. Product design also involves many other disciplines. Then what are the limitations that make product design in unique way so that it must be a specific field of study? The purpose of product design is to minimize the possibility of failure in the manufacture of a product, as a tool to choose the best and most economical method of manufacturing the product, as a measure of product feasibility, whether it meets the requirement or still needs to be improved, to determine standard deviation or product specification made, to calculate cost and determine the price of the product to be made. The objectivities of the product design are act as product in identity or brand, to create products that have high quality and high selling value to products that are trending at that time, to produce a product as economical as possible in the use of raw material of cost without reducing the selling value of the product. Let's move on the next item, explanation about our product design. This is the product design. Green tea in the middle depicts our main product, which is green tea. Then on the left there is a semicircle with tea leaves and the name of our company. Inside the same circle, there is a semicircle that depicts our company still trying to advance and develop and dare to compete in a healthy manner with companies in the Southeast Asian region. At the bottom, it says the beginning of the year our company was founded. So far we have been established for 10 years and have exported to various countries in Southeast Asia. And at the top is green tea choice, more delicious flavor, with descriptions or tea plantation are still naturally preserved and processed hygienically into the hand of consumer. And we will add a new variant of the flavor. In addition to rely on promotion, business people must also carefully determine business strategies to increase sales in the company. One of them is by increasing the depth of product marketed to increase the chances of buying trusted every day. 3 is a statement that the more product, the greater of opportunity to sell. This is the reason we decided to add more depth of product in our company. 3 are three reasons why we need to add product depth in our company. Can increase consumer attractiveness. Most consumers like a variety of product variant. It should be noted that consumer will prefer a company that is more complex than a small cash company that only sell limited goods. Likewise, with supermarket consumer prefer the shops at supermarket with more complete variant. To increase sales turnover, it's good if we start adding product variant that are market. Number 2, software are professional in the business field. In addition to making consumer satisfied, business people need to update and add the latest product in the company. To maintain our credibility and professionalism, the more often we update new product variant in our company, the greater the truth that is built in the mind of consumer. They are more stable to make progress in our company. Number 3, increase sales opportunity. Consumer who initially do not plan to buy something, but when they see an attractive product, they are tempted to make a purchase with a large selection of products. Of course, the greater the possibility of sales, they will also continue to follow your company to find the latest product. If we apply the strategies above, it will be a distinct advantage for us business. Companies that have many product variants are actually more attractive in the eyes of potential consumer compared to companies that only offer a few product variants. That is what we can use to increase monthly turnover. 3 is a statement that the more product, the greater the opportunity to sell. This is reason for the company business people to dash to add the piece of product in the company. We will add 4 new flavors. The first, green tea. Green, green tea is a type of tea that does not undergo a fermentation process but undergoes a slightly longer drying and evaporation process than white tea. All types of tea contain that, but currently green tea is more popular because of the high caffeine content the black tea. So green tea is better known as a type of that can prevent the growth of cancer. Another benefit of green tea is to prevent and lower high blood pressure, lowered head cholesterol, the risk of stroke and something to skin. Green tea aka green tea is on tip of tea that is quite popularly consumed, especially in Indonesia. Asian countries such as Japan and Indonesia itself. In Japan, green tea, Rakucha is tea that is consumed so often that when it is called tea, is most likely meant tea. Now we come to the immense challenge of to get 200,000 sales in the next few moments. Number 2, lemon tea. The sweet and fresh taste of lemon is just right, making the moment of breaking fast even more delicious. You are constantly no stranger to as lemon tea. The drink that combines black tea and lemon juice in the popular in Indonesia. Lemon tea is one on the lips of nutrition drink, not only giving a fresh sensation. That is why regularly consuming it can have a positive company on body health. Lemon tea is healthy because it is a combination of tea and lemon, which are both believed to be good for health. Tea has been known for a long time as one of the healthiest drinks with lots of vitamins, nutrients, and antioxidants. While lemon is a type of fruit that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, the combination of the two can increase endurance and keep the body in top condition. In addition, lemon tea is a low-calorie drink that helps regulate and reduce the number of calories in the body. Number 3, milk tea. Milk tea is a drink which is a mixture of tea and milk and a certain composition. Milk tea is a common drink in various cultures, especially East Asia. However, because of the different cultures, the way of making them are not the same. The basic ingredients of milk tea and Thai tea are tea and milk. Usually, the tea used is green to are black, which is rich in benefit for the body, including being rich in polyphenol, which are antioxidants that can prevent cancer, maintain heart health, and also increase bone density. In addition to tea, milk also has many benefits for the body because it contains many nutrients, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, unsaturated fatty acids, and so. Number 4, magical tea. For tea connoisseurs, you must be familiar with the Bulls magical tea. This tea is quite well known in England. The tea is known as Taylor Flowers tea, with the mixed with lemongrass which that are inserted with Taylor flowers. This trumpet snap flowers is snaps like a small blue trumpet. What interesting is that the mixture of lelang flowers exposed to hot water will turn pulse, Magic tea is a multifunctional herbal tea that is mixed from selected the leaf and special medicinal plant whose pharmacological effect are efficacious as remove fat, naturally stomach acid, control blood sugar, shed toxin, so that the stomach and intestine and vital organ of the body become clean. Similarly, complaint of body odor, bad breath, acne, and other skin diseases caused by dirty blood. The final item on the agenda is assurance of product design change.
Rexy, I strongly agree with product design change. This product design change can people to buy our product. Rexy, would you like to introduce this item?
Yes, sure. The objectives of the product design are as a product identity or brand, to create products that have high quality and high selling value, to products that are trending at the time, to product as economical as possible in the use of raw material and cost without reducing the selling value of the product. We must be able to innovate to be able to attract many customers on my, which is about the taste of new product. Good point, but let's table it until the next meeting. Before we close, let me just summarize the main point. To sum up, we discussed using the new design product and cutting budget by 5 million next month. We also talk about our internet marketing and increasing our traffic. Finally, we ensure product design change. Right, that's all for today meeting. Are there any question before we finish? No? Great. I like to Anggara or Keo for coming here all the way from Menganti Trior Gresik. Thank you for attending. That's all for today.